If you're familiar with the Drillbrush product line, you'll know that our brushes come in different shapes for different cleaning specialties. The Mini and Original are built for corners and contours, the 4 and 5 inch flat brushes are built for flat surfaces, and the 2 inch short and long brushes are made for spot cleaning and detail work. But what if I told you that with the right technique, there are more cleaning possibilities for your brush to achieve? You know the Original and Mini can get in the corners, but what about holes? Using the nose of the brush, you can thoroughly scrub the inside of drains and pipe fittings. Would you believe that the Original can clean flat surfaces too? Use the side of the brush to lift dirt or pet hair from carpets or get salt and dust out of your welcome mat. Did you know the 2 inch brush can give a 360-degree clean? It's possible if you use it on small objects like lug nuts. These brushes are also great for small drains and trim packages. And as we showed in a previous video, you can tilt the flat brushes at a 45-degree angle to get into grout lines more effectively. With the proper handling, you'll be able to get more out of your brush than you might have thought possible. But if you do need additional brushes, we sell a bunch of multi-brush kits to cater to your cleaning needs. Hi, I'm John from Drillbrush, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This video is a part of our tips and tricks series for our Drillbrush demo page. If you want to see all the videos in this series, we have a link to the page in the description below. And all the videos will be in a playlist here. Thank you for watching, and happy scrubbing!